We're Heather and Yain, and we got married in 2020. The pandemic cancelled our honeymoon plans, so we took the money and bought Big Red. We've had so many adventures in her, and now we want to live van life full time. We're starting completely from scratch with a slightly bigger model, and the conversion is finally underway. Subscribe below to follow along. Back, biatches. Just in time and with a special delivery. Got myself a seat.
Not cool when she says bitches, as it's only cool when I say it.
Make
sure you let her know in the comments that she's not as cool as me.
Yeah. Got myself a captain's chair. Got myself some little armrests. Pew, pew. So if anyone wants a double seat for their van, hit us up.
We got a double.
We got a doubly because we just have to take it out to get this nice little chair in. Cooper, where are you going?
Hey, fat boy.
That's not a Cooper seat, although we could make a little Cooper bed down here.
Yeah, under the seat.
Yeah.
But he wouldn't be small enough for very long.
No, he won't. He won't fit. Maybe storage.
Rose would get in there. Actually,
Yeah.
Brandy probably curl herself up in there.
Yeah.
Hey, you, dummy. Get out. Hey.
We just need to figure out how to get this seat in now.
Oh, you moved my railing. No, you moved my railing. No, I just moved my railing.
Are you quite all right?
Sorry, I moved it.
Yeah. I don't think that was quite an apology, but we'll take it.
I said sorry. You've had 2 apologies today. Don't expect any more.
Because you keep doing things and blaming me. And realising you did them.
I didn't do the first one. The first one just happened.
All of that aside, we're going to put a seat in, so yeah. Peace. So annoying. This is why I'm not a mechanic.
What? What's the matter?
Good thing I'm not claustrophobic. This isn't. It isn't. It isn't coming on.
What's the matter?
Okay, right, I will swap places with you right now, Buster. Okay.
Sounds like she might have to because she can't get it done.
Oh, fuck off. I need you to hold it at the top because it's spinning.
Yeah, I'm
You
just
dweeb.
videoing you in the clip.
Don't video me. Wrong way? Is it? Yeah. Go the other way. No, other way. Other way. Other way. Yeah, that way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, go. Okay, 1 second. Yay.
Should be fine.
Where's my little bag?
Want to do the one to the right of it?
Okay, I need another one of these. Why? I'm going to move that in a second.
Why? It's perfect. It's got a really good view of everything that's going on.
It's actually really good. Saying this.
Right.
Okay.
You hold one.
Yeah, you poke it. Tell me which one you're doing.
This one.
Okay. That's funny. Let me video that. Okay, show me which one you're doing, Heather.
It's the children. Okay. See, there we go. Okay, go.
Does that tighten up, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, more, I think.
No, that's good.
Okay.
If you do it more, it'll like bend the reel.
Bing, bong, ding dong. Okay. Let's see if I can do this one-handed.
Oh, one-handed like a mop.
Try to video it. Yeah. No, don't do the drill yet, you numpty. I just don't know. I just need my little spanner.
So you're irreplaceable. You've got your little system now. I've got my little system.
Okay, go. Yeah. Speedy, speedy. Nice. Okay. Going in deeper.
Okay, I'll let.
What are those?
Slippy slips.
Slips are cool. These odd socks are not.
Both Christmassy.
Right, so whilst Heather's doing the easy bit down there, I'll show you what I'm doing. I have to get this drill, I have to put it in one of these, see, like this, and then I just have to go beep beep, and it's particularly difficult and very highly skilled, which is why Heather's underneath and I'm up here. Good work, darling. Okay. Ready? Toy.
Toy nuts.
Toy nuts. Yeah. Cool. No, you gotta get out.
It's so nasty. Oh, so cold and wet.
Come on, darling. You can make it.
Right, next time anything has to go happening under the van, it's your turn. Your turn. Right, get out of here. I think.
That's some of that Friday meat right there. That first class boating meat. You seen those reels? Oh, I have.
Clearly.
Some of that boating meat.
Jan thinks he's hilarious because he's a fucking redneck. He's objectifying my buttocks.
Some grade A booty meat right there. You haven't seen the reels. I told you I should be a real person.
You should be a real boy.
You didn't leave this very useful, did you?
Yeah, well, maybe I didn't want to.
Bloody Egypt. See that? Irish people out there? Egypt. Okay, so we got our little clips on. And we have a seat. Oh, hi Heather.
We are in
Try your seat.
business.
Woohoo!
Check.
How comfy is it?
It's actually pretty good.
Yeah? Not leaning too far forward, too far back? And you can lift that one up
Look,
to get out.
I've got like an extra section of room. You need to check though.
Okay, lift the thing up. That's your escape hatch.
Go, go, go! Big boy. Doing the gym girl pants pull.
Yeah.
Oh, not too bad.
Loads of room.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me lock myself in.
Ready for your snoozing seat.
Yeah.
Happy days. Right. The whole reason we need to get the seat in today is because we need to go back to the other house, load up Lottie with...
It's not loose.
No, it's not loose. She's in.
Cool.
Load up Lottie with lots of stuff. Move it all back to this house.
Yeah. We're unpacking and we're moving out. Move out!
Yeah. Okay, I need another one of these.